Hey guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. Today in this video I'm gonna show you guys how you can delete videos and pictures on Messenger. So I'll be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one, and if you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. And now without any further delay, let's just get started. So first thing first, what you're gonna do is you're gonna be logging to your account in the Messenger app. Once you do that, you'll be in this particular platform. So what you have to do is now just select the conversation from where you want to delete the photos and videos. So I'm gonna choose this one, and over here I have two, let's say one photo and one video. So I'm gonna be deleting both. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna be pressing on this particular item and then go to more, and then over here I'm gonna be having this remove option. Just press on it and just unsend it. So again, do it with this one, just more, and then remove and then unsend. So by doing this you can delete videos and pictures on Messenger. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.